welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing the 8-inch Alba tablet, which you can purchase from Alba. So yeah, before we get started, as always, please hit that red subscribe button and that bell icon, and sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So I'm going to start off by showing you what we get inside the box. Actually, let's show you the box first. So this is what the box looks like. It just says Alba on the front. In the left hand top corner it says 8-inch tablet. This is the 16 GB version. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And that's the back. On the back it tells you what features and the content inside the box. And it has some pictures and some writing down here. So that's what the box looks like. Now I'm going to open the box up and show you what we get inside. The first thing is the tablet. I'm going to get that out and I'm going to put it to one side. I'll show you that in more depth later on in the video. On the front you get the charging cable. And then you get the charging stick. That's what you get on that side. Then over here, once you lift the flap up, you get a red silicone case. Just says Alba on the back. And then you also get a blue silicone case. And the last thing in the box is the instruction manual. So that is everything inside the box. This is what the actual tablet looks like. It's got the camera on the top. And when you turn it around, it just says Alba, and on the top it tells you where the headphone jack is, the SD card slot, the microphone, the charging USB slot, and the HDMI cable slot as well. There's a camera on the back, Then it tells you the power button is on this side and the volume keys are next to the power button. So just there, that's the power button and that's the volume keys. And that's the HDMI slot, the USB charging cable slot, the microphone, the SD card slot and the headphone jack slot. So that's what it looks like. Just says the model number and made in China and stuff like that on the bottom. It's really lightweight as well, so I love it. I'm just going to turn it on really quickly. Now I'm going to quickly set it up and then I'll come back to you guys. So this is what it looks like after setting it up. All you do is slide up, draw your pattern and lock, and yep, that's what it looks like. It's really sensitive touch, it's really quick, really responsive. So I'll just quickly run through the apps. So I've got the Argos app, which comes pre-installed on all the tablets. Then we've got the Google Assistant, the calculator, calendar, the camera, Google Chrome, Cinemax HD, which I downloaded, clock, contacts, files, FM radio, Gmail, Google Go, Google Maps, music, photos, Play Store, Prime Video, settings, sound recorder and YouTube. So that's on there at the moment. So yeah, this is what the tablet looks like once it's loaded and everything. I think it's a really good tablet. I've heard so many, mixed reviews. People like it, people don't. People got the 7-inch and they're saying that, it's not really good. But I personally think this 8-inch is very good. And yeah, so anyway, if you have it, please let me know in the comments. Let me know how's it going, how long you've had it for and stuff like that. And yeah, that was everything. So I hope you enjoyed my little video. Before you go, please remember to hit that subscribe button, like and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!